Hello, my name is Dan, and I've been working with the Medical Health Institute for quite some time, about a year and a half. And they asked me to see if I could help some folks out to understand the therapy. Was I skeptical? Well, yeah, a little bit. You're always skeptical when you try something new. But I did some research, and it seemed reasonable, and it was referred to me by my coach, my workout coach, and so I saw results. That pretty quickly. I started feeling better within about 10 days. My energy level came back. I was able to focus a lot more on the tasks at hand and work through the day. Versus hitting that 2 p.m., 3 p.m. slump. I was able to keep going and working very hard as I did in the morning. I would tell people who are considering hormone therapy to have an open mind and think about what the advantages could be, and don't get fearful of basic functions of what you need to do to get it done. Just do it and see how you feel, and suddenly the benefits will outweigh by far any of the inconvenience of taking a regular medication. I am thrilled with the service that the team at the Medical Health Institute does for me. They are proactive, they are thoughtful, they are there when I need them. They're just a text away. I see the doctor via video, which is very convenient, and we go over my blood work, and it's really as effortless as possible. And I would never consider stopping hormone therapy for any reason. I hope this video was helpful for someone, because it would be of help to me if someone was asking me these questions. And I would probably be very excited, because I'm still very excited about the hormone therapy that I receive through the Medical Health Institute. And I am excited to live my life very fully and play with my goddaughters and, God willing, grandchildren soon. I am close to 60, and I'm very excited about being the fun grandpa.